Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Dreame X40 on the right and the Dreame X30 on the left. Who's going to clean up these muddy paw prints the best? Here they are turned upside down. The X40, it can extend the side brush in the corner. The X30 cannot do that. They have the same single brush roller up here. X40 has a nice carpet sensor. The X30 is kind of up here a little bit. Same mop pads. They can raise and lower these mop pads 10 millimeters. But both of them can leave the mop pads at the base station. So if you have it set up in your app to where you want it to leave the mop pads at the base station when it's vacuuming your carpet, it can leave them back there, which I'm going to show you. They both extend. Mop pads installed. They both can extend the side mop. Mop pads removed. It'll move out to the side so it can clean right along the edge. And they both, again, put water down on top of the mop pad to keep it wet while it's mopping. Okay, the X30's undocked itself. It's already got the mop pads washed. It's going to start cleaning. So the X30 has its mop pads spinning, and it can extend that side brush. Or the side mop, I mean. And it's mopping the muddy paw prints. And the X30 can sense that there's carpet there, and it's going to save that till the end. It's going to go, I have it set in the app, it's going to do the mopping and vacuuming first, and then it's going to remove the mop pads. Then it will go back and vacuum that carpeted area. All right, here we are in the corner. It tries to get in the corner, does a relatively good job. But it can extend the mop pad to get right next to the kitchen cabinets. That's pretty nice. All right, let's get first pass over the muddy paw prints. Okay, so it's going to go to the docking station and remove the mop pads. And there it can leave them behind, and then it can reattach them when it's done. All right, it's going right to the carpet. It can increase the suction when it senses it's on carpet. Doing a good job on the carpet. Okay, it's coming back to the dock. It's going to reattach the mop pads, clean them, and then do a second mopping. Okay, it's doing its second cleaning. Looks like it did leave a little bit of that really muddy paw print, but most of the rest of it got. Okay, so it's all done. It did leave a little bit of the 1.5 muddy paw prints. Now we're gonna see how the X40 does. Now the X40 is much quieter, and it can extend that side brush. And it can also extend its side mop pad also. All right, it's starting to mop the muddy paw prints, but it's going to have dirt detect. When it's going this other way, it's going to sense that dirt with its front camera. It's going to stop the vacuum and just mop that area. There it extends that side brush. It is able to get more of the coffee. But again, they both extend the mop pad to get right underneath the kitchen cabinets. Now here's that dirt detect. It turned the vacuum off and it's mopping only. That's pretty cool. Okay, so it sensed the dirt detect, not as much as last time, but again, you'll watch it turns the side brush off. See? And you can hear a little pump. It's putting down more solution onto the mop pad. Yeah, that's doing a really good job. So the X40 has some technology built in that it can sense dirt on the floor. There it does it again. Wow, it's doing a good job. Okay, it's going to come back, remove the mop pads, and go vacuum. Now, it did a really good job. It left a little bit of the dirt. Let's see if it's going to do a second pass. Again, I've got it on the Clean Genius. After it vacuums, let's see if it comes back and does another clean mopping. And there they are. Now it's going to go vacuum that carpet. Wow, it's doing a good job on the carpet. Miss Fiona is my helper today. She is tired. Be sure and check me out over on Instagram. Look for my logos over there on Instagram. I would really would appreciate a follow over there. Here's what my Instagram page looks like. I've got several brand new Tennicos. Both of these Tennicos have flash dry technology. That's the S7 and that's the S6 Stretch. I've also got the Dyson Submarine I'm getting ready to do a review on, and I'll compare this to Tennicos. Bissell also has a really brand new Bissell Little Green Max Pet. It's a corded spot cleaner. I'll be comparing it with their older one. It looks really cool. Here's the brand new Bissell Crosswave Omniforce. I have really been loving this one. I also do robot vacuum cleaner reviews and comparisons. I got the brand new Roborock Q Revel Max V, Dreame L10S, Narwhal. Here's the Dreame X30. I also have the Dreame X40. I'll be comparing the two. I've got Roombas, and I'll also be comparing these are kind of some of the older Tennicos, and they actually do really good still, but there's the S3 Breeze, which they sell a lot of. I'll be comparing them, the brand new Tennicos, with these older ones and coming up with a buying guide. And Shark just released two brand new Hydrovacs. These are the Mess Master Hydrovacs. One's corded, one's cordless. I've got comparisons on them, and I also compare them to the Tennicos. Here I got the Dreame H12, really do love. The Kenmore. I've got the brand new Dyson 360 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Roborock Vacuum Cleaners. I have lots of videos and comparisons showing you which one is the best Roomba to buy. This is a refill one. It's pretty nice. That's a $99 one from Walmart. It has LiDAR navigation, and it does really good. Also tell you which Shark robot vacuum cleaner to buy. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page. This is where I do my free giveaways. I'll do them here and on Instagram. Again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. I love buying these products with my own money. That way I can give you an honest review. Would I spend this amount of money on whatever I buy? Because when you spend your own money on something, you're going to have higher expectations for it, and that way I can give you the honest review. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And look who has showed up for her treat, Miss Fiona. Did you make that mess? She loves her treats. Yeah, this is a new vacuum Shark just released. It's the Shark self-emptying, clean and empty, cordless. Just bought it with my own money. I think it's brand new. They've got one similar to it, like the Detect Pro. But yeah, this one, it's got a self-emptying base, which I really love. So that is brand new. I'll be reviewing that really soon.